Hi friends, it's me Nikki here, and you know I actually did not order my groceries offline this week. I actually went to the grocery store. I went to the commissary on our military base, and I figured, for this surprise event of me going to a grocery store and not ordering online, why not do a grocery haul and show you what I got? So that's what I'm going to do today, and I hope you will enjoy. And so to start, I'm going to show you the good, bad, and the ugly. And to start with the good, I picked up these little pre-made salad packets here. And this is for Mike and I lunch next week. And I figured instead of me going through that line at McDonald's and spending $6 to $7, I will just spend $2.40 and have a healthy lunch, which will be a switch. And so I picked these up. And then I picked up some strawberries because we love strawberries around these parts. And we snack on them. And I love strawberries. I also love Chobani yogurt. And I get these all the time, and these are great little snack yogurts for me. I love to just kind of have them when I have a sweet tooth, or just when I want that nice little snack. I found some of this marinara. It's a rustic cut, and I wanted to pick it up to try it with some either chili or even spaghetti, and so I was craving spaghetti this week, so I think I'm going to do spaghetti instead. And then I always love picking up the Fresh Express Caesar kits. We love to make these really quick with our dinner. They're just really simple and easy. Along with cuties, Mike and I, we love snacking on cuties. And friends, since I was making the spaghetti this week, I had picked up this bread thinking, oh, this will be so simple. It was only $1 and some change, and I was like, okay, this is easier. It just really was simple. But then when I got home, I realized that the bagger must have punctured it and it stuck his finger down in it. So I was like, okay, I can't mess with that. And then I picked up some pickles. I love kind of snacking on pickles. And then some vinaigrette balsamic dressing for our salads. And then I found this, friends, this balsamic vinegar ketchup. I had never seen it before. If you've had this, let me know how you like it. I was interested in trying this, so I picked this up. Along with V8. I love V8, just a big glass of V8. As long as it's cold, it's really delicious to me. And so I picked that up. And then we're going to make shrimp scampi this week. So I picked up some shrimp along with 2 packs of chicken breast and some turkey, ground turkey actually, for the spaghetti and steaks. Mike loves to grill, so we'll put some steaks on the grill this week with the baked potato, and it works out great. Along with, I picked up some of my Bolthouse Farms breakfast smoothies. You all know I love these. I've shared these with you in the past, and they're really good and they're filling. And so I picked up some peach parfait ones, and then also some strawberry. And then I also picked up the Naked brand of the smoothies. I really don't drink these often, but lately I found that I'm picking them up every now and then because I like them. And so I really like the one with the beets in it. It really tastes really good. I finally found something with beets in it that I like. And then I picked up some lumpia, and this we're going to have this week with the salad. Just keep it simple. And this is a vegetable and chicken lumpia, so just something that's going to be simple this week. It's going to be a busy week, so I was trying to find things that are really easy to make. Along with, I found this, and we're getting into the ugly, all the snacks. And this I thought would be great is when I have that sweet tooth, is just to come down and take a spoonful of that just to kind of kill that craving. I also picked up some coconut milk creamer for my coffee in the mornings. And then I picked up a larger of the vanilla because I go through this so quickly because I drink coffee all of the time. And so I picked up 2 of those. Along with, I picked up some of the bad. Now we're getting into the bad stuff, friends. Some orange cream popsicles for Mike. He loves orange cream, so I picked that up for him. And, because it's the weekend now, we watch movies and things, and it's fun to have a little ice cream. And you all know how I am about my Snickers, so I got me the Snickers ice cream bars. And I love ginger ale, so I picked up some ginger ale for me, and then also some Pepsi for Mike, as he's a Pepsi Coke drinker. And so we have those. And then when I was in the grocery store, I saw this chocolate cheesecake hazelnut spread, and I stopped and I took a double take. And I had to get this. It looked so good, and I was so curious about it. If you've had that, let me know. And then the Sabra hummus, that's a go-to for us. We love that to snack on. Along with, I got some salad fixings and just some croutons to kind of have additional ones for our salads. And then Mike loves this kind of swirl brown sugar cinnamon Pepperidge Farm bread. He has it for breakfast with his coffee. He'll toast one and put a little butter and have it with his coffee. And then I just got some honey wheat bread just for us to have at the house. Along with the Pringles chicken taco Pringles. I love these for just snack. And I also got a larger hummus for home. And then I love the Maxwell House for my coffee. I'll add one in. And then sugar-free gum. I love that to just chew on. And so I got a pack of that. Along with some more of the bad friends, some Suzy Q's and Twinkies, along with biscotti. And so these are all of our sweet tooth things. And Another pack of cookies. You would think I didn't eat before I went to the grocery store, friends, but I actually did. This is why I like online shopping, because I don't have all these temptations right in my face, and like pita chips, which I got these here to go with the hummus. I also got some coconut oil for my body. It's so dry this season, so I really have that. Now, this is a go-to of mine. I love the Neutrogena Body Oil. I put it on when I'm in the shower before I get out, and then when I dry off, my body feels so good, so I've used this for years. Along with, I picked up some more body wash for me, and I love the Dove brand. This is the one I've used for years, and then I also picked up Dove for Mike just to have some spares, and then some food prep gloves. I was running low on those, so I picked up some of those along with some batteries. We were running low. And then Mr. Clean eraser pads and some paper towels. I was totally out of paper towels. So friends, this is my shopping haul that I did today. I hope you've enjoyed seeing it, and it was, it was fun going to the grocery store today. I don't go to the grocery store. I usually order online, but it was fun to go, and it was fun to share with you. And I hope you enjoyed seeing the good, bad, and the ugly of what I bought today. And also, I want to remind you that on my second channel, At Work with Nikki, I started my entrepreneurial series where I share my journey of how I started my business and all of my tips that I feel will be helpful to you if you're looking to start a side hustle or a small business. So I'll link those videos below. Have a beautiful weekend, my friends. I will see you at the next video. And this is Nikki saying goodbye.